We are still learning about construction geometry in Inventor Fusion, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to create work points. Our first option is work point by two edges. So we select one edge and a second edge, and here is our work point. The second option is work point by three planes. So we can select a plane or a planar face. There's our second plane. And here's our third, the planar face. Here's my work point. The next option is by plane and axis. I'll select this plane and this axis. And here is our resulting work point. The last option is by circle or spherical surface center. Let's select this circular edge. And here is my resulting work point. Let me bring in a sphere primitive now. Place it about here. Accept. Now let's activate the same work point option. Select the sphere. The work point we created is at the center of that sphere. You can see it when we mouse over it in the browser. This concludes my overview of construction geometry in Inventor Fusion. In our next several lessons, we'll be taking up solid editing tools.